The ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula has launched a stern disciplinary campaign to root out ill discipline within the party, initiating charges against high-profile members Tony Yengeni and Obed Bapela. Addressing the media on Monday ahead of the ANC's 113th anniversary celebrations, Mbalula detailed the party's intent to restore order and hold errant members accountable. The celebrations will culminate in President Cyril Ramaphosa's January 8 statement outlining the ANC priorities for the year. Yengeni, a former ANC National Executive Committee member, faces disciplinary action for comments made online that allegedly brought the party into disrepute. Mbalula criticized Yengeni's public behavior, calling him a political Casanova who thinks he is a law unto himself, and said he will be charged. Mbalula confirmed, stating that Yengeni's remarks undermined ANC policies and leadership. According to Mbalula, Yengeni's statements represent the views of minority group of malcontents opposed to the party's direction. Yengeni, who was previously convicted in 2006 for lying to Parliament about a luxury vehicle he received from a defense contractor, was accused of consistently violating the party's discipline code. Mbalula said leaders of the ANC cannot go on Twitter every day to cast aspersions on the party and its leadership. That will not be tolerated. Discipline in the ANC is paramount. The Deputy Police Minister and NEC member Obed Bapela is also set to face disciplinary action. Bapela is accused of violating ANC policy by visiting Morocco, a trip deemed inconsistent with the party's stance on Western Sahara's sovereignty. Mbalula stated that Bapela had been informed of the charges, adding that his actions amounted to distorting ANC policy. Mbalula's crackdown signals a shift in how the ANC addresses internal dissent and discipline. He criticized provincial leaders who have ignored ill discipline in their ranks, warning of national intervention when necessary, and said the time to talk and not act is over. Leaders must instill order or face intervention from the national structure. While acknowledging the right of members to express views, Mbalula emphasized the distinction between raising constructive criticism and publicly attacking the party. Mbalula also touched on tensions within the ANC-led tripartite alliance, specifically the South African Communist Party's recent decision to contest elections independently, describing the move as a catastrophe. Mbalula noted that it will weaken the alliance. However, he stated that discussions on the matter will remain internal to avoid media sensationalism. This year's January 8 rally will be held at Mandela Park in Khayelitsha, Cape Town, an ANC stronghold. The event is part of the party's effort to reconnect with communities in the Western Cape, a province where the ANC has struggled to maintain dominance. Monday evening's NEC meeting will focus solely on adopting the January 8 statement, which has already been processed by the ANC officials. Mbalula said, "We are here to communicate a message to our people and renew their confidence in the ANC." The Secretary General's announcement sets the stage for a pivotal year for the ruling party as it seeks to address internal fractures and rebuild public trust ahead of the 2024 elections. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.